sin is like a nightmare on motherfucking Elm motherfucking Street. It's been 40, how many years? 41 years. Lunch every cock-sucking motherfucking dick-licking night. Every night. And when I mention it, he goes, all the love you put in my lunch. I go, love? I'd fucking call you a motherfucking so-and-so bitch. I hate. And when you retire, that's why I wanted you to retire like about 2 fucking years ago. I am so sick of making that cock-sucking, dick-fucking lunch. And he goes to bed at 10 fucking 30. And then my fucking ass has to stay up to midnight to worry about when I put his bitchin' lunch. I put a pudding cup, I put a cup of pickles, I make a fucking cock-sucking sandwich, bring out butter, mustard, lunch meat, cheese, bread. It's like, oh, you guys are laughing? Really? Laugh it up. After you made lunch for 41 motherfucking years, I used to make lunch for Dave motherfucking Rife. Hippie motherfucking Dave. Every night. Dave Cascus. I've been around the mill. You have no clue.
What the fuck does that mean?
I don't know.
You know.
The mill.
You know.
It's like the grain mill making the bread for the lunch.
I'm serious. I know I'm bad. I'm boisterous. I'm over loud. I'm bad. I'm say stuff. I don't listen very good. But I can't help it. But I'm just really a real... I call myself a realist.
Hey,
Totally. I can't help it.